hi. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm late. Extremely sorry.
Where you have been? I'm waiting for you since so long.
These idiotic earplugs that I bought recently, they are of no use, you know. If I walk around, they fall down. If I chew gum, they fall down. I mean, can a person not seriously walk, listen to music and chew gum all at the same time?
You have no idea in which world you live.
What do you mean?
You have no idea. Heatron has bought us Boom World D Spots earphone, which are very user friendly and very fashionable. They are available in 3 different shades of colors. You can totally order them from latest one.
That is perfectly cool, but what I want to know is the problem of falling off still remains.
No, they are very ergonomically designed that your problem is completely solved. And the quality of music, I tell you, it's ultimate.
Oh, that's simply perfect. I'm going to buy it right now.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's latest one.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and oh, by the way, didn't you attend the LG event yesterday?
Oh my god, I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Let's go in and check out
Yeah, tell me about it.
Instant like you can knock 2 times and the inside thing will be visible, and you can keep your leg over here, you can flash your leg. So ma'am, can you please, so you can keep your leg over here, like you have to stand in the middle and just keep your leg over here, just flash your leg on the open door, automatically it comes out like this. And the inside part is pure stainless steel. The capacity is 925 liters. This is the freezer part which has the auto door. So it comes out automatically. As you can see, we have the easy ice maker. And we also have the hygiene fresh. Like if you have some odor in the fridge, so you can like clean that and it will be gone. So it's basically like that. And I would like to show you some more things, some more parts. Important features of this fridge. So basically we have auto door, like you have your children must be constantly using this sensor and all. With that you can switch off that. And we have hygiene fresh Wi-Fi connectivity and all.
Alright. All ready to shoot?
Yes.
Okay. Nikhil, technicals ready?
Ready?
Alright.
Lights, camera, action.
Hi dear geeks. Welcome you all back to second episode of Unbox Weekend. This is your host Harshada.
And this is Neeraj. And we are here to produce. Nikhil, did you not check for the technicals properly, man? What's this weird noise coming from the background? I guess it's coming downstairs.
I don't know, yaar, this noise stuff is disturbing.
Some weird guy is sitting by the poolside and playing some noise on some kind of weird gadget, man. What is it? I just hope that he could have some better kind of technology to play this song, man. We could have better background music instead of this noise.
I know. Call a room service.
Room service?
Yeah, I have an idea. Call room service, please. Just call.
Whatever.
Arey Nikhil, I have much idea.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, may I get room service, please?
Hi. Just give me the tray and wait here for a moment. Don't go anywhere, wait.
Okay.
You just have to go and walk there. Give this to the man sitting poolside down there and tell him this is from Gizmo Box, okay? Just, you don't have to do anything. Just tell him this is from Gizmo Box, okay? Thank you.
Yaar, Harshada, how long is it going to take for your magic solution to work on this noise problem? We don't have the entire day, man. We are running up. Can you hear that? I mean, how?
See, Neeraj, I told you.
Huh?
Magic is just the technology that is misunderstood. What I did is, I asked that waiter to lend my dynamic SB572 HD Bluetooth wireless speaker to that man. It has connectivity to connect with and without Bluetooth.
Alright.
Yeah, in short, SoundWorld, the California-based company, has brought us this speaker for just rupees 1290.
Is it? By the sound quality, it seems that this speaker is made entirely for outdoor usage.
Actually, this elegantly designed and perfect looking speaker, which contains, by the way, 52mm premier drivers in it, which makes it perfect for the house parties and poolside gigs.
That is simply wonderful. Tell me, how did you get your hands on such a unique device?
I knew you were gonna forget it.
Huh.
You remember last month I threw a party, I played the same speaker.
Oh yeah, right. I completely forgot about it.
Yeah, I just ordered it online.
Now that the problem is solved, let's get back to the shooting.
Yes.
Come on.
Okay, guys, ready? Action.
Hey, one last thing. I haven't eaten anything since the morning and I can't stop thinking about those things.
Yeah, go, just go. Hey, you saw Hitesh upload? Like, I saw it on Facebook and Insta also. He was saying he's somewhere US, the CES. What?
Yeah.
What CES? What's that?
It's an international convention called Consumer Electronics Show. It's held in Las Vegas, Nevada every year. It's kind of a place where technology companies unveil new products, make announcements and all. Speaking of CES, Hitesh recently sent me an email. The American smartphone brand Coolpad, it won many important and prestigious awards in CES 2018.
Which awards?
I don't exactly remember, let me check. So Hitesh sent me this email 3 days ago, it should be here somewhere. Okay, yeah. So the mail says Coolpad, an American smartphone making company, had the privilege of being amongst the top 20 global smartphone making brands. It won the Global Smart Connected Device brand, the Best Fashion Design Award, and also the 2017 Flagship Award. Oh, that reminds me, in CES 2018, Samsung unveiled its new Thunderbolt 3.0 in QLED curved monitor series. I cannot just wait to use this monitor series because the Thunderbolt port will be lightning fast.
I know. And about that, we have added the new segment about CES 2018.
Right.
CES 2018.
Yeah, so anything you need to know about CES 2018, any news updates, you'll be able to get all those updates on our website, that is www.gizmobox.club/CES 2018.
what are you doing? What is this?
Array, India's biggest online poker tournament started on 12th of January and it is going to end on 21st of January. I'm learning how to play poker.
It started yesterday.
Yeah.
It's gonna till 21st.
Yeah.
And you're learning.
Yeah.
I don't know what's this going on. Let's have a look at it. Neeraj, we have ask them to like, share, at least ask them to subscribe. Okay guys, I think he's very much busy because it seems pretty interesting. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And visit our website for more details. It is www.gizmobox.club and our all social media handles are Gizmobox Club. So me, your host Harshada, with busy Neeraj, signing you off. See ya. See ya.
See ya.